Let's move on with question 2.3.2. We're having c is equals to the square root of a plus 2x. We are solving for x. So how do we get rid of the square root? We get rid of square root by what? By squaring. Therefore, what we do on the left hand side, we must also do on the right hand side. Square both sides. C squared will be c squared is equals to, then the square root of a plus 2x all squared will just be what? Left with the terms inside the bracket. A plus 2x. And then from there, subtract a from both sides. 6 squared minus a will be equals to 2x. And then from there, divide both sides by 2. And then now we'll be having what? We'll now be having c squared minus a divided by 2 is equals to x. Therefore, this means what? Our x will be equals to c squared minus a all divided by 2. So, for us to be able to move from this point to this point, this is what happened. Let's take an example. Let's take an example where we are saying find, we're having what? The square root of, let's say the square root of x, and then we are what? We are squaring it. Square the square root of x. This will be equals to what? The square root of x, we can rewrite it what? As an exponent. Square root of x is the same as x to power half, all to the power of 2. And then what do we know about when we are having x to power maybe a to power x to the power of y? We multiply the what? The exponent. Therefore, this will be x to power half multiplied by 2 will be what? 1. So we'll just be left with what? With x. So that is what? A step-by-step process that we have done here. But you don't have to show all the steps. Just understand that when you square a square root, you will be left with what? With whatever that is inside the square root. In this case, it is what? A plus 2x.